What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlogs. Yeah, my people, probably that kind of you, Liam. Oh, welcome back to the vlog. But as I start the vlog, I'm just record, yeah, man. Can't bother with this. Welcome back to the vlog. If I don't like it, don't like it. I don't know. But as you're making videos, I'm a jobless man now. This is my full-time content job, right? So people, with us, I have a happy spirit at the end of the day. And right now, people, I walk down to the Scarborough Bluff. I'm on the Kingston Road. We parked over the Canadian Tire because the bluff way is blocked up and there look like there's no parking to get over there. So I'm going to full experience of walking to the bluffs from the road or street side. But yes, my people, thanks again for everyone who's been liking, sharing, subscribing to the channel and giving me positive energy of the last video. Some people come over here and say for them family say it's a nice place to work. I never talk anything about that job. I said the way they treat their workers when you're up on the road, them white Monday, them don't treat you with respect. Simple as that. They yell and they scream at you. Okay? Simple as that. And all of the workers them who work there, you can ask them and they will tell you it's the same thing. Simple as that. That job is one of the easiest job for work. But them don't care about their drivers. Because I'm going to tell you, say, all they do is sit down in a truck. When they're there, they work 10, 11 hours, 12 hours, 13 hours per day. When you feel tired, you can't sign out. You understand? That's where I'm coming from. I always tell them, easiest job. Yeah, easiest job I ever worked. But everything is different. Everybody is different. And Father God does have different plans for me. Simple as that. I know everything for everybody, right? I did needed a break from working and I didn't listen to what the doctor said because me did a rush and I try to push myself to the limit to make extra more money when I even supposed to go back to work. Them call me and I tell them what the doctor said. Think I was better. I wasn't. Because my body still feels the same way. I still have to get back a refill on the pills and continue taking them. Right? Should I listen? But if I did listen, I'd lose the job because they're not going to have them trucks sitting there for a worker. Right? When they don't care about their workers at the end of the day. Simple as that. But otherwise from that, the job is a good job. Trucks always nice, clean. The truck them drive good. Easy job for work. If you can't do long hours, it's not your type of job. Simple as that. If you're easy to get stressed out by people yelling and screaming at you, it's not your type of job. Simple as that. Alright? So now why am I bring up that topic today, my people? The same day, the people them fire me. The same day, everything just came down in one. Right? In one big bombshell. Every single thing just came right back in one big bombshell about my house project. And then we got through with my family. So we could start it off with I'm a YouTuber now. I think I was a YouTuber, but I don't know. But right now, my people, this channel is about uplifting people and giving my truth and my facts on life, not your facts, not your truth. My experience of what I've been through with life. You understand? I don't know what you go through or whatever else anybody go through. So I just talk about what me go through with life, and if it can, somebody want to hear it, share it, and we'll make it work. This channel is about house building in Jamaica, touring different parts of Canada, and also showing touring different parts of Canada and the house building projects and stuff like that. That's what this channel is about. So if you guys enjoy content like that, just like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, right now people, we're walking down to the Scarborough Bluffs, and this is the road to walk down to the Scarborough Bluffs. So it's like a big hill to really walk down to the bluffs, my people. And if anybody don't know what my content is, I show a little bit of everything while we walk and talk about the situation them. So you can look and listen, or you can just listen and still feel a vibe, or you can just watch and still feel a vibe. Right, my people? That. So now, my people, the house project right now is around 95% complete. It could have probably complete already, you know. So we'll come back. See why now, my people, why I bring up this topic? Because the same day I lose my job, the same day I hear say, I just going to say, the people when I left the house in control of in Jamaica rob my money. And then you're going to say, Jay, I know you're the same one come here and talk about that long time, and I say, yo, don't send no money to Jamaica. Go to Jamaica yourself and make it thing work. Yeah, man, I mean, the same idiot. But this idiot was a little bit more smarter this time. Right? Reason why. Remember, you know, my people, I was just in Jamaica. These people who I was around with see what I was doing, and I'm learn from me what I was doing. So, I don't think them same people they sit down and eat with me, laugh with me, drink with me, go beach with me. I go rob up any amount of money. Them just want to see the project go through because them say this is my last one I have. And we don't know what I go on after that. Right? So them same people me now go think I go stab me in my back. You understand? So me I say everything should be fine now. Because I come back to Jamaica and get a new job, you know, same trucking job. And I go push out. Almost every week I send $100,000 to Jamaica for the last 3 months. So you calculate that and you do your maths there. Just because I say I want the project to just done. I don't want no more headache, I don't want no more stress on this project. I just want it to be done. Right? Boom now. Friday now when the boss called me and she say, Jay, we have to let you go, you know. I say, why not let me go for? And they just talked to me yesterday and said they needed people to come in for come work and this and that. Oh, because of unperformance of work. I say, oh, there's an unperformance of work when you are the same people who are asking me to come in to do the night shift and a Saturday shift, and I said, I never worked weekends here, and I never work nights. And all of a sudden now ask me that. Isn't that the reason why? Just tell me. Or is it the reason I said I cannot work the Wednesday? Because I always wanted to heal up my body because the doctor said don't work too much, right? See that? Them did it. And them not talk. See just the unperformance of work. So I say, okay, no problem, boss. Everything is good. Thank you for the time or whatever I work there. I learn a lot of driving dumb trucks now at the end of the day. Right? Push and move on. Father God will have something better for me. So now the same day they know. I get a next phone call from Jamaica now, from my next family now. And this is why they say no, my people, you know, and everybody you see I must help in life. So here the next story you know, my people. One time we did it now, we did at the airport. I will pick up 2 girls. My father pick up 2 girls from the airport because I'm going to go pick up my brethren. Because the girl them said they want to drop out of Kingston, right? So him said I get gas money, blah blah blah, right? I said, who these people? So now the girl them start talking and say, oh no, be honest, why we look so and why we didn't and things we get dip from America. And I said, damn. And the girl them say, oh, one have to drop a Kingston and one drop a Spanish Town. Right? So we said that we are going to head anyways. So why not? Right? Plus we get our 1 gas money. So my father goes, so now boom. I asked the girl and I said, so the one of the girl them start get nervous. And I said she don't want to stay at Kingston because she don't know our family them going to think of her and all them things there. So I say, okay then. And then the next girl I say, she don't want to go back where she come from too because she don't want her from her mother and family them think away about her also, right? Me I say, you know what? This can happen to anybody, you know. This can even happen to me. Me I want somebody to help me. Right? So now, I say, you know what? I have a house up there and it's not fully finished, you know. It's just been tiling out right now. So it's not fully finished, but it's a place where you can stay and enjoy yourself. It have internet and stuff like that. When you can connect to every day, light and water is there. If you guys don't want to go back up, you guys are the only one gonna be there though. Because I don't stay there, nobody not really stay there because the place is not fully finished. Right? Me take up crosses, people for my head. One of them are crosses, not the next one. Because that girl lift up in the next 2 days, the next girl lift up and get a job now. She contact me, really respect you, thank you. I say, yeah man, I just love because, again, my people, that can happen to anybody who migrate to a different country and get in a problem. You understand? So me just that do look good. The next girl now, what did they? You know, so my probably forgot name this video. I know everybody must help in a Jamaica. I know everybody you see. I don't know. But I need to put. I'm just gonna make a one long video, yeah, man. Cause just explain. She know. She does stay up at the house. So nobody need to stay with her. Cause my virgin come down now from foreign. And him have to stay at the house now with him kids them. Right? So she would have to leave the house. So she for me to stay up at my cousin's house. I say, yo, you can't forward with me. I tell you, my cousin. She can't forward with me. She can just sleep in her living room, and when we go up at daytime, she can stay there if she want, or she can come with me. Call it a day, because we are up on the house project. Right? Push forward now. Remember now, no, me not tell my family I'm this a foreign, you know. Me just say I want girl who we know and that or that. You see it? Because we don't want push nothing on nobody's face and make it look bad. Right? So push forward now, my people. 20. She stay by a week and then now the man leave me. So I say, you know what? You can't. My brother say, yo Jay, my family might come from foreign now, no. So she have to go lift up. I say, alright then, I say, B, what you want? You can bring her over your house them now. And she says she still not feel comfortable yet for go there. Right? Remember now, you know, people, every day I leave the house there. When she there, I leave her $1,000 Jamaica. Remember, I don't know this girlfriend Adams Apple or whatever. Where she come from, her first name, her last name. We don't know this girl. Right? Me just look upon it as a good deed. Me I say, yo, see $1,000 yeah, at the time. You do what you want to do, but remember, I don't have to leave $1 with you. You know, if I have the $1,000 I give you every day, like I'm a picnic or something like that, they think the girl was about 25 or 26. Right? We say we just try support help. Right? Push forward now. My virgin leave. And I say, you know what, you can come back up at your house now if you want. And my father say, Jamie, stay with her up at your house. Right, so now she and my father go and linger along. I know about no entanglement type of vibes like that or nothing like that. You understand? So I don't want to get it too twisted because I now want to get it twisted myself because I don't know what go on. Alright? Now, push forward a couple months, this girl's still there. I say, what go on? I'm asking father, I say, what go on? She don't find nowhere yet. I say, she still iffy and butter around, no, so I don't know. No, my father for cook for her and everything for her because she don't have no money and her family in Jamaica look like they don't care about her. Right? Push forward now. Me hear say she and my father get in an argument and them a fight and this and that. Me hear one of my bridging from Jamaica when my family them tell me say, Jay, the amount of thing we got on your house up here, they make your house look like a bad place, brother. The amount of one day the girl and your father must get in an argument. And the girl threw a big stone up on my house. Me I say, what? Me I say, you know so much glass on my house. What this you tell me, man? Remember, no, me I hear this all the same day when me just get fired. You know? It's like Father God just make everything happen one day. Me no know how this happen. My cousin called me and say, oh dog, oh if you say that talk behind my back. And I said then things here. I say, oh, me know where to come from, because my father kick out that girl, you know, so everything. When we sit down and talk about, or she and my father sit down and talk about, she now bring it back to my cousin, so me and my cousin have a fallout. You saw people wicked. So now when my cousin called me, the man sit down on the phone will be 1 hour and say, dog, I'm a family dog, and I never expect you to betray me like this. And I say, betray you how? What you talk about? I don't know what you talk about. I just talked to you last week and I tell you, say I go put on a share code on the house to finish up the house. And I call you down, and I can't get you. So from this and now, I say something was up 2-3 weeks ago. Right, my people? The man start explain some things where the girl tell him, say me say. The girl got a road and bring me name. Say me that try to look her, me that try to fuck her. And the people who shall tell that, you know. I say, I can't the you are talk about. Oh, every day I left her just $1,000. Like a fucking ma try fuck me. And me I say, so bad. You know you can't go and get that. And you go tell random people that. Say, I wanted to have sex with you and all sort of thing. People me say when the man explain some things, the man all say, oh, I'm a photographer, I'm a director, big photographer, director, Canada. And he must send hundreds of $1,000 every week too. Every week come give him father. Them people and I will set you up in a life, people. No man, you tell me that now. The same and the same person where you're sorry for them people. The same people them will turn around and name you, my people. Cause when the man the next elder now tell me that, you know. And when my cousin tell me, you know, me I say. And then when my father start tell me, you know. Cause me whatever my father tell me, I say, boy man, I look at a girl here, man, and the girl don't want to give you nothing, so you go complain and say this and say that. Right? One night and then the two of them kick up and say, oh, Peter Blacks, bring back the girl, man, where the girl go. You understand? The girl message me and say, you know, I don't know where you come from, you know. I don't know if God send you, you know, but thank you for making me stay here, you know, because if it's up to your father alone, that keep me out long time, because me and him just can't agree. I'm say, oh, I just love you, man. That, because if me did in your position, or it was a reverse run, you'd have helped me too, hopefully. You understand? So I just love you, man. Just Father God said, boom, you see it, so we just go boom. That, right? And then when you come back now, 360, this girl tell all sort of lie on me. Bring my name, go road. Go say all sort of thing to the neighbors them. Tell the people must even run our way too. I say no come here with your fuckery, man. None of the youth that we know, the youth that brand in our community, and that you never disrespect nobody around here, so. And never come a road, come talk in business. And never say anything bad to nobody around here. Everybody around here, the youth that just go through and do him thing. Jovial youth. So you have to come bring up the youth business on the road now. CMD now. Hello. See how people we are walking down the hill now, and our people, this is the Bluffers Park. So I just go and show the place while I talk. And also now my people, they have a YouTube channel out there. There's a new company started. It's called GTA Tours, I believe. If I know so it go, I close it up, but I go drop their videos of their touring channel. So them have a thing. So you see them people that walk the street and stuff. They have a thing now. They started a new company called GTA Tours, where if you're brand new to Toronto or even living in Toronto and still never go outside and stuff like that, they will give you a tour of Toronto, of where you want to go. You just contact them and I'm going to show you their YouTube channel and their video. You can just contact them and hit them up, and yeah, you can say 416-876, send them over there and bless them up, show them some love, and yeah, just contact them if you want a tour of the GTA. or probably in Canada too soon, you know, because it's a brand new company and I'm gonna do them things. So I best believe they're called GTA Tours. Hopefully me I pronounce them right, but if it's not, while me I talk right now, I'm gonna put them ad all over the video. So you can contact them if anything. Alright, people, make we move on back to the story. So now, all of that done now, the part they done with and stuff now, my people. Now the next part of the story, after my cousin done cuss me out and talk in mine, and say boom boom boom, we leave it alone, and in clear him head, and in find out say, nothing ever got so, wickedness them talk about, right? Boom now. Me never contact back. From that girl leave the house, I never contact that girl, period. Alright, so we don't know where she is, and we don't know who, if my cousin have her a key part to, or whatever. I don't care, period. Okay, so now my people, we move on to another night now, the same day again. And my people, it's like the day that is just one big, it's like me say, Father God just say, today I hear the effect, just get ear out, get smash up the day there. Just go get some alcohol and drink that day and vibe out that day, because today is the day you're gonna get everything off, every stress off of you and your body and your mentality. And cause me can't believe one day alone me could go through so much stuff in just one day with people in life. Alright people, I'm gonna walk this side and show you around here. So a long time I wanna come back on this side, but I want to go down by the beach side though today. Oh, what should I do? You know what people, walk got the beach. So the Bluffers Park people have two different parks. So we are going to walk and show you. Now I have the yacht club, the marina, the beach, parking and boat launch and parking area. But I think I'm going to walk around to the beach side. Yes, but so you can see right here. Okay. And you can see right here. Bluffers Park, 1 Brimley South. So anybody who want to come here, now you know. Alright. I could continue with tour. I have to walk and talk. I could reach to the house spot. Because when I go say Jay, you're one idiot again here, man. I feel it for me, you. Remember again, people. I lose my job, my cousin come cuss me out. I hear what this girl I say about me people when I sit down and help. Buy food. Gas. Sorry, my guys. Buy gas, food, everything. See that people, the man upon him date with him baby. You see, it's a good place where you can come walk and bring out your baby. If you have a baby. Yeah man, make like me finish to go find a baby too. But baby, I don't want no more stress on my head, yeah man. So I'm alright. Me continue to walk and talk type of video them and leave that alone. Yes I. Me go walk with people. Now we're going to the last part now upon this very intruding or whatever episode of life, because it's most an episode of life that the people. See over there some people at the marina area. They have I think I did a video and showing you guys over there also. With them have all boat clubs and them have fine dining restaurants and stuff like that, yacht clubs and all them stuff there. If you have a $200, you can spend the day there and go enjoy your day with people. You go and do it. And that. But it's so long we walk with people. Like I said, people is all nice. Look at hiking, walking, just to clear your head if you want. You really have the energy like that. But we still have to fight it every day. I might just give one of you guys a vlog. I might go downtown this week, give you guys the downtown vlogs, because like we said people, we're not working. And cause with next company, them have a 1-2 day. We try my best to go, but I think I should not even work for a bit and just listen to the doctor's order and stay home and don't stress our work for a bit. I'm just put out content for at least 2 weeks until we see how our body feel. Alright, well, people, now we move back now to the house project. My people, I will just leave the country a month in a May I come back, right? So all of them people around me know what go on. right? So, you're not going to expect them same people here who you've been around and knowing all your business, all your problems, are going to style you. So now my people, when them call me now, my family them call me now, who go down there, because they must stay at the house now. One of the youth them at the house or work on the property. I say, brother, what go over this so? Let me see the new wall we are put up, because that's just that we're really left now my people. We are trying to finish the wall around this house so we can also start probably Airbnb it very soon. Because see now when I work, it's the best time to have the house up so we can even generate a little income also. Right? So we can make a little thing or stuff like that. So me I say, alright then, that can work and that can work. Whatever look money we make off a photo shoot and music video, we can still uplift the place and still send off some things and make it work. But me have the people them down there just to finish up the place to me and stuff, right? Push forward now. I think the night then my people, I have to take all a sleeping pill. At 3 o'clock I come off my phone with the people in the night there, you know. Yeah man, because I can't even sleep, them I call on my phone because they try to justify themselves. So when I do it, I say, yo, go over there, so I make me so much black cars. I send 100 and, because some of them give me a deal and say, yo dog, 145,000 for the 1,000 black with delivery, you know. But, you're good youth, I'll try to give you one deal. So tell me, say, 130, so I send 140,000 now, so the person who pick it up, get our money in for them pocket, because you don't know, so nobody now do nothing for you in a Jamaica for free. You don't know that, right? So I say, alright, send them 140, I say, yo, pick up them blocks for me, make sure everything goes smooth and things like that, right? Remember now, my people, me there, you know, on the phone with this person, you know, and I say, yo, how much block you did pick up over the year, you pay for the one day here, yeah. Because I tell me now, say, the truck man them want money. 12,500. Me I say, where the 12,500 come from? Inside the delivery fee. Me say, so the delivery fee never involve. Now the 130. He said, no. And then change, so something go wrong and he never work the way there. Right? I say, alright, then not say alright. One of them days when I get paid, me send it off to you. You understand? Call it a day. Because right now, we don't really have that. You see? Him say now, so I say, you sure 1,000 black come? He say, yeah man, what you dealing man? Well, you can't trust me. I say, you sure 1,000 black come? You can just talk to me truthfully, you know. To make me know what really are going on, you know. He say, you know what? Between me and you, still, you know, say 900 black come. Start scratching my head. I start scratching my head, people. So me I say, oh, you've been lying to me. And you've been telling me, say, at 1,000 black come. 1,000 black come, the project I go up just now. Been lying. Remember, you know, the person is very, very close to me, you know, my people. For me, I trust them so much money, you know. But I just can't call name or anything like that, or what type of family part there are from me. Right? So just I leave it as that. But just know, say, somebody will make you on the earth here. So now, I say, really? 900 black after I tell you buy the 1,000 black, so I can done up the wall and make the wall just operate and done, so I can stop less stress. For my head, because all we left now, I have to just lock up around the yard, so I can think about the interior of the house now and done it up and buy up the all the half video we are going to do to, you know, my people, and like how much that shit cost us to clear whatever we just sent. The boxes, the doors, remember a long time, yeah, we're gonna think tomorrow I may do a WAF video at a different park. Yeah man, so now I get the WAF video because somebody been asking for that too. So now, push forward again now, my family them go down there. The youth show me the wall. I said, Daddy, how much block over there, sir? Man, you know, Mr. Dog, oh come, I'm not done up there, sir, but I not see no block and I 1,000 block for drop there. And when I talk to the man, him say 900 block then. So I say, cool, where 900 block there? I say, how much block run up here, sir, brother? Man say, father, you idiot. This can look like, this not even look like 300 block they drop, bro. Look how fast run up the wall. I mean, I say, 300 block. I say, what you talk about? What you talk about? The dog said, bro, when the man them come, then drop about 350 block, bro. The most me can ever probably think of. But no 900 block no drop here. No 600 block no drop here. No 400 block no drop here. I mean, I say, I rather you lie to me right now, yeah, man. That now make no sense. That now make no sense. Me just look on him clear and say, brother, you stop lying to me. Forward over there, call my other family and say, yo, video wall again for me. How much block you think it is, sir? About 300 block, that or less than that. But we dip on the ground about 350. We probably left. Me I say, 300 block. I say, 130,000, 140,000 if you get 300 block. Because remember, I know my people, why I did that, you know? Me and them people are there, Jamaica, and sit down and yam together, eat together, beach together, do everything. So me and this person close, so me I say, that person you nah go rob me. Because you see when me a battle of foreign, and see when me come to Jamaica and a battle with too. So them nah do that. Them nah do that. You understand? Come night now, I go so bad, I make a phone call. Probably that all run up on my bill because I couldn't even get them off WhatsApp. So a straight call, because you know I'm angry now. So me just lose my job. My cousin don't cuss me off. And now this happened. So now you know me just boil up. For the whole day me just boiling. It's like a popsicle about to bust. A can coke. You know when I shake it up? That's me. Feel like I want to buy one Twister ice cream from the ice cream truck, you know. Yeah. That still. But now, I call him, the person them going to tell me, say, between me and you, I rob the truck man and rob with some blocks, you know. I mean, I say, what they say now? Because him never getting 600 block drop there. I mean, I say, 600 block? What do I talk? What do I talk about? He said 600 block. So me say, I never 1,000 block me pay you for. You know what I say? A 600 block me did buy still and look like the 600 block never ever come. And and things just happen, you see it. Me I say things just can't happen with people money, so where people are working so hard for fucking foreign. People are bumbuckler dead, me almost dead. Me have asthma and panic attack in a bumbuckler truck. Because me I worry about house and this and that and all of this thing and I try to make money work. And this is not bumbuckler the people. Sorry about the swearing them now to my people because it just touched me wicked, you see it. Them don't know what we are bumbuckler go through in my people. Them don't know what we are go through over here. Mentality, physicality. Stress level fucking gone high. Doctor said my burn out. The whole of my nervous is because of this bumbuckler people you can't trust. You can't trust nobody there. Huh? You just can't trust nobody. Period. So what that just left for do? Eh? What that just got left for do? If you can't trust nobody. You get contractors, you can't trust them because the same one them and make people come thief your things them. You get a family member them and same thing them. You get a closest family member and same thing them. I got Jamaica amount of thing a person say on YouTube. Say bro, look here go down there because if you had said money you would have never accomplished all of what you accomplish. I always tell people make sure to guard Jamaica. And the only reason I never listen to my own self this time. Sorry people. That don't come from nowhere. The only reason why I never listen to myself this time, you know, my people, is that I say, I just leave Jamaica with these people. And they see and know what I go on. And they're not going to mess me up like that. You understand? And I was wrong. Then now, that same day they know them I try to correct them mistake. Then go back up by black people, so now my family didn't see them. And I say, yo, what go on? We never know you come up here, so. Because now them I try to justify before me find out, so him can drop back some more black. You understand? But right now, people, we just reached the beach part. And this is the Bluffers beach part. And yeah. Would that be like, it's a nice, watch how many people all kayaks they can rent over yesterday now, and it's not bad at all, my people. It's a good summer day right now. Everybody and their mother out here. Yeah, man. So look, I want to come down here and say we are going to a nice look walk through the park, you see it? Everybody down here, so today, my people. Everybody. Just a vibe out. Probably for forward down here next time too. And do a next vlog for you. You see, probably do a local shish kebab grilling. And go and vibe at the beach with you. You see it? Yeah, man, my people. So it's not a bad look, but I'm not going to walk too far over. I'm tired already from that long hill. I'm going to have to walk back up the hill there. But we have to walk more time, you see it with people. But now, I go back to the story here, man. So you see him there that happened on my people. I say, but really, after me sending you so much money to just get this job done, and I let me not pay you a week time, just to oversee the man them. You know, oversee the man them. When my family they go down there and say, yo, Jay, if you see what them people they are doing, looks like this man not oversee nothing. It's like them people that don't, them just sit down up there, sleep and eat, and do what they want to do. And them have, oh, you have to have workers, you not go over them work when them done that day. And to see what them do. That's why the work not really that get done. Because the man them just come there and chill. And take your money for their work money and you think things are going on. You understand, my people? So all of that happen now. And finally confess and say, you know what? I get back your black them, you know. But me I say if you get back black, you deceive me. Somebody will try so hard, you deceive the only person we try to help you too in a life. And you deceive that one person that, cause I see him, my brother call me, you know. And I say, I never expect that. My brother said, Jay, out of everybody else, the man they say, but me that say, the man they for deceive. But for deceive you, nobody now gonna see that coming, my brother. At the end of the day, you are the only man we out there and try to help everybody no matter what. And for just deceive you, my dog, the one that we never see the one they coming. That the man named Sim, bro. Never see that one they coming. You understand? So at the end of the day, who can you trust? Can't trust family. Can't trust friend. Can't trust neighbors. You just can't trust. So at the end of the day, my people, that's how my week went, or how my day went. When the people them call me and we get fired. You understand? So that is life. I'm just share my experience with you. If you don't want to listen to it, and you don't listen to it. If you want to listen to it and leave a comment, But that's what that one day they go through my people. And I just say, you know what? I do a vlog about it and share my experience with it at the end of the day. And just for no show and say, yo, Father God is real, and Father God still give me the energy to come out and still walk and attack and do a vlog about it, just so other people can smart up and not put no faith or trust in just nobody, period. Because the same people you put 100 in nah put 5 in you. You understand? And I just want to share that with you. You see it, my people, at the end of the day. So, just want to thank everybody again. I'm going to do a quick photo shoot down here, my people. I just want to thank everybody again who just like the journey and been here with me and fight the fight with me. And we make it work. People, now I have time for go fishing. I go buy up some fishing rod. One of them time, yeah. And we all go up on some fishing trip. One of them days a year. So, catch, cook and clean fishing in Toronto. But I don't know which part of Toronto. I go probably have to go drive up north or east or west. Or some different creek or something like that. To get some nice fish to eat. Some trout, some salmon. Some of them type of fish, yeah, man. So, everybody, just please just subscribe, people. Just make it reach the 10,000 mark now. Make it reach the 10,000 mark. Please, me, I beg you. Hopefully, them people that take debit, you know, I really want to buy the ice cream there, you know. And if anybody can, just leave a donation, super chat and super save and all of them things that, you know, I see them on YouTube. Bless up that person there who sent me $10 after my last video. I bless you up, bless you up, bless you up. People, I'm going to really charge for ads or anything like that. So that promotion I did in the video is not a charge. Because I tell them, say, yo, I can't help you right here now. The channel is not that outrageously big. So, boom. But from me, I got help out the next 2-3 people. But if not, never mind. If not, but if not, we're going to start charge a local thing. Probably can put it over the super chat or whatever. I will call it a day. You see, that man. But more and bless up everybody again, and just thanks everybody who watch the videos them. So like, share, subscribe. You don't know it's 4168769 people. And people with the back of Caribana this year again. So we be going down the road. So anybody there Caribana this year and see we there on a Allure Carnival truck. That. Hearing people, so buddy, stay tuned, bless up on yourself.